Okay, got your highlighter and a pencil. With your pencil, what's the first thing I'd like you to do? Find a spot on your book to write your name. That's right. So with your pencil, find a spot on your book to write your name. Okay. Good. Okay. So now, this story is called Splat. Splat. Splat is one of those sound words, okay? It's a word that tells me a sound that something makes, okay? Is splat the sound that something solid or something liquid makes? Liquid would make a splat, yes. Okay? And I'm looking at this picture right here, and I can tell what type of story this is. Fiction. Is it fantasy or realistic, do you think? Fantasy, because why? Bunnies are wearing clothes. Animals are acting like people. Very good. That is called personification. You got it. Okay. Now, let's go ahead with our highlighter at the bottom. Get your highlighter ready. And tell you, we're going to look for the sight words at the bottom. So I heard on and on. Has. Ooh, this might be a pattern book. When we see those repeating words like that, sometimes it's a pattern. Okay? Huh. Good. Highlighter down, pencil ready. Now, this week, yes, we are looking for words that have the S blends at the beginning, like sp or sul or sm or sn, okay? Or sk. But I heard someone say they saw a sp at the beginning. Sp. At. Exclamation mark. Sp. At. Exclamation mark. Splat. Splat. Okay, what is that bunny holding in her hand?
Paintbrush.
A paintbrush. So what do you think might be making the splat sound in this story? The paint, maybe, yeah. Okay. Splat, splat. All right, let's look at the bottom. M-E-G, sound that out for me? Mag. Good. What about R-E-D? Red. I see a sm blend right here. And I see a C-K at the end of that word. Why is there a C-K at the end of that word? Because there's just one lonely vowel. What's that word? Smock. Smock. What is a smock? Have you ever heard of a smock before? Yeah, you're right. It is like an apron. So she's wearing a smock right here. It's like an apron. A smock is something you wear when you paint so you don't get paint on yourself. You can also wear a smock like this that's almost like a shirt so that you don't get paint on your clothes or on your, or maybe they don't want clothes on their fur, paint on their fur. Okay? Here's a st blend. What's this word? Stan. Stan. That's a name. Stan. Oh, we've had this word lots. T-A-N. Tan. And here's smock. Smock again. So we have the word Meg, red smock, Stan, tan smock. And what does the word tan mean? What color is tan?
Like a light brown.
A light brown. Good. Okay, so if you're reading this at home, I want you to press pause and practice reading these sentences at least 2 or 3 times each. Then press play when you're ready to read together. At school, we practice reading these sentences by whisper reading. Eyes are moving, mouth is moving, finger is moving. Go ahead and practice those. Press pause. Okay, let's read together now. Fingers ready. Everybody put your finger under the word mag. I'm waiting on everybody's fingers. Under the word mag. I don't see your finger. Under the word mag. Okay, fingers ready. Ready and read. Meg has on a red smock. Stan has on a tan smock. Oh, so they're both wearing smocks, aren't they? Who is Meg? Because what did they tell us? That she's wearing a red smock. Let's give her a label, Meg, capital M-E-G. Meg. And what is this guy's name? Stan. I'm going to give him a label as well. Stan. Okay, so they're both wearing smocks. Let's turn the page and see what they're going to do when they're wearing those smocks. Turn the page. Oh, there's Meg. It looks like what's she doing? painting. And look, oh, that's kind of cool how she's using like dots to paint or little circles to paint her pictures, right? All right, let's come down here. Get your highlighter ready. And tell me what sight words do you see that we need to highlight? Will. I see will 2 times. Mhm. I see has at the end. Well, Meg. All right, that's good. Highlighter down and pencil ready. All right, we're going to circle. Remember, we're going to circle those S-blends. Sp, l, at, exclamation. Sp, l, at, exclamation. Splat, splat. Remember, those are noise words. Splat, splat. M-E-G spells mag. Good. Look what I see right here. I see an A-W. Where do I find A-W on Valtown? No. A-W. So that word is d-er-ah. Draw. Draw. Good. Here's a sp blend. Oh, and they added an ending S to that word spot. What is it now? Spots. Good. Get with me, Tabby. Get your pencil. M-E-G spells mag. Oh, you told me that A-W says ah. So that word is d-er-ah. Draw. There's an ending S on this word dot. Now it is dots. That means we added the S to make it more than one. Dots. Okay. This is a tricky word right here. Okay. It looks like what. But it's not what. It is the word what. Yes. Yes, please, so that you remember it's what. Okay, circle the O-O together in this word. O-O can say or ooh. Is that word good or good? Good, yep. This is a tricky word too. It's the word pictures. Pictures. And yep, you're right. And there's an ending S on the word picture. They're making it more than one picture. And Meg. So this is a tricky page. This is kind of a tricky page. At the beginning, we have splat, splat. Meg, draw, spots. Please look so that you're ready to practice. Meg, draw, dots. What good pictures, Meg. Oh, and there's an exclamation at the end. Okay. So at home, go ahead, press pause and practice reading this page at least 2 or 3 times. Then press play when you're ready to read together. Okay, are we ready to read together? Let's put our fingers under the word splat. I'm waiting on everybody's finger, please. I see lots of fingers ready, but not everybody. Okay, fingers ready, ready, and read. Splat, splat. Meg will draw spots. Meg will draw dots. What good pictures Meg has. Good. So she is doing dots to fill in her pictures right there. Okay. It looks like Meg likes to draw flowers. Okay, look at the next page right there. What is, what's his name, Stan doing? Is he painting? No, it looks like he's cutting and gluing stuff together. He's building, yeah? All right, get your highlighter ready and tell me what sight words do you see? See will? 2 times, okay? And has. Good. Highlighter down and pencil ready. I see an S-blend. Snip. Snip, exclamation mark. Snap. Exclamation mark. Snip and snap. Those are also sound words. Okay, so what might be making the sound snip, snip? What do you think, Grayson?
Lego?
Oh, yeah, Legos might be snapping together. Remember yesterday we talked about how those blocks make a snapping sound when you snap them together? So snip are scissors and snap are the blocks. Here's S-T, stan. Snip. Here's a app. Oh, and there's an ending S. Okay, so it says scraps. What are scraps?
Like
Scraps are stuff that you have left over. So I have like a whole box in my teacher closet right there full of paper scraps. Is it a bunch of full papers? No, it's little pieces of paper that sometimes we use for art projects, okay? So we call it scrap paper. So scraps might be the little leftover pieces of fabric when your mom would cut something up or sew something. Or scraps could also mean like leftovers from your food. You might feed your dog table scraps. Have you ever heard that? So the leftover food from your dinner, you might feed that to your dog. That's called scraps. Okay, scraps is the leftover pieces. All right, ST in stan. S in snap. There's an L blend, blah, the CK, and an ending S because there's more than one. Blocks. There's that tricky word again. What? Good. There's an R blend, there's more than one trucks. And ST in the word stand. Make sure, Marco, your page looks like my page. Why do we mark these books like this?
To learn how to read.
To learn how to read, but to train our eyeballs to see those things. So we circle the things that is a little tricky sometimes when we're reading. Jaden, does your paper look like my paper? Get your pencil. Sit up. Okay?
There's an exclamation in the end.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Exclamation. Good. So we need to make sure that we're training our eyeballs to see those blends and like those CK and the ending S's so that when we read, we don't make any mistakes. So now at home, press pause and practice reading these sentences to yourself. Oh, let's go over those words we didn't highlight. Snip, snap, stan, snip, scraps, stan, snap, blocks. What good trucks, Stan. All right, so go ahead and practice reading that 2 or 3 times by yourself, and then press play when you're ready to read together. Okay, let's read it together now. Put your finger under the first word, snip. To snip is the sound of scissors. Snap is the sound of the blocks snapping together. Okay, finger to the word snip. I'm waiting on fingers. Ready and read. Snip, snap, Stan will snip scraps. Stan will snap blocks. What good trucks Stan has. Okay, remember what are scraps? Leftover pieces. Yep, so see, do you see how he has these like leftover pieces of like, I don't know, cloth or paper here? And he's cutting them and he's making them into this little car. Kinda. Next page. Ooh, yum. What's Mom got? Some carrots or maybe some carrot-shaped cookies. I don't know. All right, highlighter ready. What do we need to highlight on this page? Has. Will. There's has again.
Big.
Yes. Ooh, and I see one that is our sight word this week.
Stop.
Stop. Very good. Stop is one of our sight words this week. I don't think 4 is one of our sight words yet. If you highlighted it, it's okay. All right. What about Y-U-M? What's that spell?
Yum.
Yum! Exclamation. Yum! Exclamation. It's right in the middle, babe.
Yum, yum, yum.
Hopefully you know what M-O-M spells.
Mommy.
Okay, right here I have sn, a C-K at the end, and an ending S, snacks. Get your pencil with me, let's go. Snacks. Snacks, good. ST on stan.
There's an ST on.
ST on stop, you're right. I see or on the floor by the door. Or. Put F in front of it. 4, yes. Snack. Yep, here's a blend. And here's snack again. So those words that we didn't highlight are yum, yum. Mom snacks. Stan for snack. Stan snack. Okay, at home, press pause and practice reading that 2 or 3 times to yourself, please. Press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, let's read together. Ready to read together? Fingers ready under that word yum. Fingers ready, please. Ready and read. Yum, yum. Mom has snacks. Stan will stop for a snack. Stan has a big snack. Ooh, so what kind of snacks does Mom have? Carrots. Does Stan have a little bit or a lot? Because it said what kind of adjective is describing his snack? What adjective is describing his snack?
Yum. Big.
Big. Good. All right. Next page. So Stan's eating carrots. Uh-oh. Looks like Meg might have a little bit of an idea. Let's see. Okay. Highlighters ready. Tell me what we should highlight on this page.
It
Has his will. No, stop. Okay, highlighter down and pencil ready. I see in Stan. And CK for snack. Exclamation, exclamation. We got Meg. Here's that or by the door. For snack, question mark. Here's a skip. I see an right here. That's sister on the curve. Good. Snack, question mark. If you accidentally highlight a word, that's okay. It's not a big deal. Okay, let's talk about these words right here. Stan, snack. Yum, yum. Meg for snack. Meg skip her snack. Okay, now you practice reading those words. Press pause at home. Practice reading those words, those sentences, and then press play when you're ready to read with us. Okay, let's read together now. Fingers ready under the word Stan, please. Stan, ready and read. Stan has his snack. Yum, yum. Will Meg stop for a snack? Will Meg skip her snack? So is she going to stop and have a snack, or you think she's going to skip it?
skip it.
Maybe. Let's turn the page and find it. Oh, she doesn't want a snack. She wants to keep on painting. Okay. You're right. Highlighter's ready. Will and it. That's it. We got MEG Meg. We have skip. At exclamation. At exclamation. At exclamation. Oh, this is going to be an easy one to read. Meg skip. Splat, splat, splat. Okay, practice reading that 2 times. Put that finger under the first word Meg, and we're going to read together. Fingers under Meg. Point on fingers. Fingers ready. Ready and read. Meg will skip it. Splat, splat, splat. Why did she want to skip her snack? Yeah, thanks for raising your hand, Jaden. What do you think? She wants to keep on painting. She doesn't need a snack right now. She's got flowers to paint, right? At your house, I want you to practice reading this book several times and then send a video of yourself reading the book to your teacher.